Hello guys, use my phone Ulefone Note 13P. This version 4GB memory and 64GB internal memory. Look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, and Type-C cable. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera LED. On the front side 6.5 inch. On this side power key, warm keys. On this side smart key and slot for 2 nano SIM card and microSD card for memory. Okay, upside headphones jack, Type-C port on the downside. Full HD plus resolution display, IPS. Look, benchmark results. We have CPU MediaTek MT, MediaTek Helio G35. This octa-core processor 4+4 cores. And look onto the benchmark results. Device support 10 touches and onto the benchmark results. Okay, close this. Look how work GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level. Game works with little lags, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.